we are going to learn how to convert uh, one file format to another file format in a batch mode on terminal in Mac. So basically we are going to convert OGG file to MP3. So I have set of files around 30, 40, 100 files of OGG, and I just wanted it to convert to MP3. So for that we can do it easily using command line. So for that we need ffmpeg. Uh, so this is just a like media decoder codec. So we can install it using brew install ffmpeg if it is already not there. Then go to the directory where all the OGG files are located using terminal, and from there you can execute this command. So find type iname OGG execute directory. So basically this will find uh, type files and iname, which the name of the files which contains OGG, and execute the following commands. So if it is the person name, and those $1 will have this will have the file name, and so you can just follow this command, run, and this last rm will remove the OGG file which is already converted. So like this you can convert all the all the OGG file to MP3. Likewise you can play with this command, and you can convert file using MPG to from any format to any other formats. So hope you like it, and please do like, subscribe, share with your friends, comment if you like something, if you don't like something. Thank you for watching. You can convert all the file as follows. So here are the OGG files. Okay. Basically we are converting it to the MP3 using command line. So we have this many OGG file which is not supported in iMovie. So what we are doing is we are converting it using ffmpeg using command line in batch mode. Okay. Sort by date create. Basically it's creating one by one. Now it's processing this one. Okay. It will take some time. So this is how we can convert OGG file in a directory. Okay, and convert it to MP3. So it's find dot type iname where OGG is there, execute it sh.c, and ffmpeg working. So this command is basically used to convert OGG to MP3. Okay? And this will remove the OGG files which is converted.